Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we will see the personality Jagat Narain Lal. He was born on 21st of July 1894 in a small town in Bihar. He graduated from Arvind Christian College in 1910 and also obtained a post degree in economics and further obtained a law degree from Allahabad University. He started his practice in Patna High Court and at the same time was also teaching economics in Bihar Vidyapith. He was arrested for participating in non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement and Quit India movement. He was elected to Constituent Assembly from Bihar on Congress ticket. He spoke on various issues in Constituent Assembly. Like he spoke as regards freedom of press, freedom of religion. He also spoke on the issue of reservations and emergency powers of president. He also spoke as regarding the concept of consolidated fund. We'll just see that. 8th of June 1949, quote, I feel that Dr. Ambedkar has given us the history and the origin of consolidated fund as it came into existence in the United Kingdoms. I do not know if that history has any relevance to the method of expenditure, the budget expenditure, which is followed in our country and which has been followed for years past. I do not think there has been felt any such difficulty or inconvenience which was felt in United Kingdoms when that consolidated fund was brought into existence and has given the reason for the origin of this fund. I would therefore like Dr. Ambedkar to consider whether it is at all necessary to have it here and whether we could not retain the article as it stands. I do not like to say much more on this amendment and I think what I have said will be taken into consideration. So he spoke on a very different issue of the concept of consolidated fund. We are thankful for his contribution in the making of the Constitution of India. Thank you.